Good morning, friends. So right now I just stopped at a Starbucks off town here, just not far away from the Grand Canyon, to get some breakfast. So I got some Feta, spinach Feta wrap, some latte. So yeah, it's 7 a.m. Well, 7:11 a.m. right now, and I'm just gonna have this breakfast and head towards the Grand Canyon. And I do have a bus shuttle that goes to the South Rim Trailhead at 8 a.m. So I'm gonna try to catch that. I'll see you guys soon. Hello.
Good morning. How are we doing? Can I just see the back side of the annual with the driver's license?
Oh.
Do you need a map today?
Yeah, I could use a map.
Shuttle information and driving, plants, animals, geology.
Okay.
Have a good
You
one.
know if the hikers shuttles are still running?
Keep going, yep.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Meanwhile, the music's on. There's a guitar player, a keyboard player, a harmonium player, and they're all chanting. And I'm talking into her ear. And so I started toning in different places, body, and she eventually started pointing to all.
What's up, everyone? Yeah, I'm right now at the Grand Canyon. The free shuttle bus that should be here any minute. So I couldn't make the 7 a.m. first free shuttle bus. The next one is at 8 a.m. Should be after 2 minutes. One more later on at 9 a.m. So I did see a free shuttle bus earlier on, but that was a different one. That was a blue line. I need to be taking is the yellow or orange line that takes me to from the village here to the South Kaibab trail head. So hopefully it should be here. And I'll find a parking spot. So literally if I walk like 1-2 minutes down this way, my car is parked along these cars somewhere down there. I found that one lucky spot that allows me to park freely. I don't have to be a resident of the lodge or anything. It really helps, because if not, then I would be in real trouble. I would have to park at the C and D park further down there and walk here. Somehow that would have taken me another 15-20 minutes, and I would have probably the shuttle. So I'll see you guys later on at the hike, at the trailhead, and maybe show you a little bit of the shuttle ride. It's pretty cold temperature. I'm wearing waterproof shoes, hiking shoes with wool socks. The socks are more to keep myself warm, I guess, my feet warm. Even in the summertime, you do need like 1 or 2 extra socks. I have my backpack, and besides that, I'm wearing thermal inside. Yeah, I'm wearing a thermal inside, 2 regular t-shirts, and a jacket, obviously. And I have some gloves in my pocket. So the shuttle should be here any moment. Alright guys, that's my shuttle right there. It came like 2 minutes late, but I think it should be good.
This bus serves
Hello, sir. How are you doing? This goes to the South Kaibab trailhead, right? All right, thank you. How long does it take to get there? Just curious.
Well, from here it takes about maybe 23 minutes.
Okay, not too bad. Thank you. All right. Yeah. So funny story. I'm the only one here in the bus. The bus is gonna stop through another stop you mentioned. So possibly we will be picking up more people there. But yeah, it's about a 20-23 minutes ride. That's the lodge. Be sure to get water because there isn't really water from the South Kaibab Trail all the way to the Bright Angel campground. From what I understand, I mean it does change with time. It does. There are certain stop designations that do not have water in different season times due to whatever reason. So sometimes the water freezes or just the water is not available. So you always want to have at least like 2 liters. I'm told like 2 liters, 2 to 3 liters is good. I do believe I have like 1.7 liter, 2 smart water bottles. So 1.4 liters, that is. In summertime, we definitely need 2 liters to 3 liters, something more. But since it's winter time, I think 1.4 liter is not too bad. All the way up to Phantom Ranch or Bright Angel campground. From there, I can refill the water and head back down to Bright Angel Trail. Alright guys, so yeah, I just started the South Kaibab Trail, leaving behind a pack of people that I came with. So this is the start of the trail, and we'll be heading on our way. It is a little bit windy. I do feel I'm ready for this. I'm going to show you guys quickly the Grand Canyon. South Kaibab is very steep, 6.3 miles to descend, 4,860 feet from the rim to the Colorado River. It is also one of the few Grand Canyon trails that follow ridge lines as opposed to So Cedar Ridge is 1.4, Colorado River is 6.3, Phantom Ranch, okay. Great. Now, just to show you that beautiful scenic view of the South Kaibab, of the if you hear any sound, gushing sound, that is the wind. So this is it, this is the Grand Canyon. How beautiful is that? So just a quick history regarding the Grand Canyon. It was formed about 5.5 million years ago, about the time when the Colorado River carved into the canyon. Historians and geologists have learned that the Colorado River at one point was some kind of a lake or water body kind of formed, and which then was overfilled and then kind of filled into the canyon over a long time, creating pathways, passages, and creating this beautiful canyon. It is actually a little bit windy, but I feel like it should be good. This is gonna be a challenge, but I'm up for it. Ready? Let's do this. It is windy, gotta watch out. Descending down you see that pathway right there, that's the way down, very low down. We're at about 6,000 feet, so we're going down from 6,000 feet going much further down. So I'm gonna catch you guys a little bit later.
Just be careful with this stuff.
Very scary. So I wouldn't want to fall like right off this.
Okay.
That's cool. I've lost my status.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to try to go back there.
Fantastic view. So I just reached my next point in the hike. It's called Cedar Ridge. So here it is. Pretty windy today actually. Cedar Ridge. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So finally I got to the third point from Cedar Ridge. Was the last point I showed you guys. Now I'm at Skeleton Point. This was a little bit longer. Yep, so this is Skeleton Point. Beautiful. Temperatures a little bit less windy. Temperatures going up a little bit more. So I'm no longer wearing my head cap and gloves. I'm sweating a little bit too because I'm getting warmed up walking. But yeah. So heading to the next point, the tip off. See you there, guys. So right now I'm close to the next point, which is the tip off. Descending there. Hello. Not too far from here. You can see those little stations there. There's a telephone booth for emergency telephone calls, which is cool. If anything happens here, any emergency, you can call and get help because there is no GPS signal here. That's one thing to keep in mind. So close to halfway. Phantom Ranch is my halfway point, after which I'm gonna head back down to the South Rim, but using a different trail, using the Bright Angel trail, which again is gonna be a difficult and different one. Not as elevated 6,000 as that one, but it'll be a challenge too. Yeah, there's like a nice little shade area here. So, and the emergency phone booth that I spoke of. There is water here. This water is for emergency use only and should not be planned on. The water source has known to become contaminated. Because emergency water may be contaminated, not exactly your go-to water drinking. Okay, turn to east, turn to west there. Yeah, there's some bathrooms there, so that's also cool. Hey all, yeah, so I'm on my way close to the Colorado River, that right there, and I'm gonna cross that through the bridge, and then go to Phantom Ranch, and then come back through the Bright Angel Bridge, which is a different bridge that I'm gonna take on my way heading towards the Bright Angel Trail, but I wanted to show you all this beautiful sight here. Just amazing. After seeing all these like canyon, quietness, suddenly you hear a stream down there, and that is what I think is most likely the Colorado River that we're going to cross very soon. But moving forward, we keep going. Alright, so I got some mules here. What's that?
Anybody behind you?
Not close by. I don't think close by.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
You have a great day.
You too? Yeah, I haven't seen mules, so...
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
It's 2 whole trains.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, fascinating to see these mules. So they're carrying like bags and packages of people that need to go up. How's it going? Is it fun to ride that?
It's a lot of fun. I love my job.
Oh, okay, cool. Nice. So all along I've been looking at like mule dung so far, and finally get to see a whole bunch of mule going up there. So what they do is like, so those people, the 2 people, they work, they ride the mules and they carry bags and whatever of people that hike and that don't want to have a lot of weight. Usually those who stay for camping down there, or people who have more difficulties carrying stuff. So once they're at the Phantom Ranch, they go up, they carry the bags and everything back. So yeah, I guess I'm getting closer to the river bridge. And once I'm close to the river bridge, then I know Phantom Ranch is close, and then that'll be I guess my halfway resting point. And then hike back all the way through Bright Angel Trail to the South Rim. Crossing the bridge right now. Kaibab suspension bridge. There we go. Pretty amazing. This is probably one of the golden moments of this hike. Get to see water apart from rocks and whatnot. Ooh, get a beautiful view of the canyon as well. Yeah, it's like an amazing view with the Bright Angel suspension bridge right there and the canyon behind where I just came from, and now heading towards the other side. So ladies and gentlemen, I made it to the Phantom Ranch, and this is my stuff, resting spot. I was actually kind of taking a nap on this rock here, which is amazing. So this is it. Sun. And there's actually a little cafeteria here, canteen that has some beverages and snacks and everything that you want to buy. So right now I'm actually gonna head back to the South Rim through the I'm gonna take the Bright Angel Trail back to the South Rim. So I'll see you guys on the road. And I'm heading back towards the Bright Angel suspension bridge. That's gonna take me to the South Rim, back to the South Rim through a different trail, basically. The hard part is done. The South Kaibab trail, which was crazy. The elevation going down was insane. But right now, this is a beautiful site area. I want to show you guys me crossing the bridge through the suspension bridge to the other side. A lot of people do hang out here and just go back. They don't even go all the way back to Phantom Ranch. Feta branch is a cool place. You can buy some food there, snacks, whatever you need. Some people lodge in there, check in and lodge, and of course good place to chill and relax, recuperate, and head back. So Bright Angel Trail, there we go. So I'm gonna cross that bridge right now. Here we are, the suspension bridge. Bright Angel suspension. It's called a suspension bridge because it is suspended. It does not have any pillars. You know what I mean? Like lots of bridges have pillars that kind of hold them upright, but this is technically just suspended, you know, just from the term itself, suspension. So it's suspended through either side of the bridge. So here we are, crossing the bridge. Okay, I can see the difference between crossing this bridge and the other bridge right there. If you guys can see it, that I came through earlier, that's the Kaibab bridge, the Kaibab bridge. So here the difference is pretty much that the river is more wider here, and it seems like there's more current of the river here than the other side. Yeah, I think summertime the people do like kind of boat in here. I'm not sure if there's white water rafting, but there's definitely hiking and so on. So yeah, I think in summertime people do boating and all kinds of activities. But right now, cold temperatures, not the best time. That kind of activity. And this bridge is kind of longer, I think. Yeah, this is definitely much longer. It's a little bit scary to imagine that it's suspended. But yeah, interesting architectural engineering for that. I suppose. I see some people up there. I imagine that's my path heading back. Obviously I'm going to be climbing back up to the canyon, so a few thousand feet. So we're at the bottom right now. I'm at the bottom right now. I came through that bridge there, Kaibab. You know, I descended from the South Kaibab, which is one of the highest elevations, 6,800 feet. And now from the bottom, I'm gonna head back up. So yeah, I'm up for this. I had some rest. I feel good. I think I should be able to pull this through before the sun goes down. I do have like 4 hours, 3-4 hours, and you know, I have a good pace going on right now, and I think I should be able to make this happen peacefully and enjoy the scenery. I'll see you guys soon. Hello friends. Oh, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm starting to feel it right now. Towards the last end of this, I finally got to Indian Garden. Right here. That was one of a pretty long hike between two different resting areas. So, yeah, here's Indian Garden. I'm gonna rest here a little bit. I got 2 more stops just to get to, and then I should be back in time. I have like less than 2 hours until sunset, so I think I should be good. I do have lights in my bag, battery powered lights, in case it gets dark in any kind of situation. Alright, I'll see you guys at the top. Hello everyone. I just wanted to quickly share end of this hike. I'm almost at the top of the canyon. So this is the Bright Angel trail, South Rim side. So yeah, that's all left behind. All those trails you see down there. Yeah, so the sun's actually about to go down. As you all can see, probably in the next half an hour or 20-15 minutes it's gonna be complete dark. Fortunately, I'm just like about less than a mile away from the top, so I'm close to my destination. However, this is one of the hardest hikes or things that I've done, the mental challenge in this. So especially I wouldn't recommend doing this as a one-day hike from South Kaibab, which is an absolute monster. So doing South Kaibab in one day all the way to Phantom Ranch and then back down here through Bright Angel is not the best idea unless you're super ready, and also if you're not using support sticks like I'm not, that would be also a challenge for me. I did 1 month before this hike, I did kind of prepare, go to the gym, work out my legs for about a month, so that does help. So far I wouldn't say I really need the sticks. It helps people, especially descending down, especially for your knees. But yeah, especially in winter time, you see that it's only like past 5 p.m. and it's about to go dark, so definitely not the best idea to do this in winter time. Even though I started like at 8 a.m. I drove from Wilson, Arizona, 1 hour to the bus shuttle here at the village, Grand Canyon, from here, and then started from South Kaibab sometime around 8:20 a.m. So obviously I have to be honest, it's my first time hiking the canyon, and the South Kaibab has probably the best scenic views ever. The Bright Angel Trail too has a lot of beautiful views, but there's a lot of trees and rocks blocking a lot of the views, even though you have a beautiful river stream that heads towards the Colorado River eventually. But yeah, the South Kaibab has absolutely stunning views, especially the Ua point. I stopped a lot. I have to say I stopped a lot, took pictures and whatnot, so obviously I did spend a lot of time doing that. And at the Phantom Ranch, I probably spent like another 40 minutes there, chilling, relaxing. Maybe not the best idea, seeing that it's already getting super dark. I kind of underestimated the hike. I thought I would definitely make it by sunset or before sunset, but that is not the case. As you can see, it is getting dark. There are a couple of people behind me, actually a good number of people behind me, and hopefully they'll get up safely. I do have a torchlight with me just in case. I hope they do too. So like and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I should be bringing you guys more adventures and more content for my future travels. So please support my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.